Welcome to the topic selection presentation by POL242 Tehran 2013, analyzing the Canadian population's level of confidence towards the federal government. Data from the 2011 Canadian election study provides us with ample information to observe the levels of confidence toward the institution of the federal government. The near division of views in the frequency analysis provides us with the necessary level of variation to conduct an inquiry toward the factors that may affect the levels of confidence toward the federal government. Following the research of Richard Nadeau and Neil Nevitt, we hypothesized that the attitudes toward election results should affect attitudes toward the federal government. This follows the rationale that an increase in the level of satisfaction with the main institution of democracy in Canada, which is the federal government, is linked less to the specific results of the election than to the general achievement of electing a legitimate government in a transparent, predictable, and economical way. Furthermore, we hypothesize that attitudes toward federal economic policies should affect attitudes toward the federal government. Our first cross-tabulation assesses levels of confidence toward the federal government by the degree of satisfaction with election results. We see from the column percentages that those who express their dissatisfaction with the outcome of elections are almost split in their levels of confidence toward the federal government. The next two columns indicate a sharp increase in the levels of confidence as satisfaction toward election results increase. This confirms our first hypothesis that greater satisfaction with election outcomes result in greater confidence in the federal government. Our second cross-tabulation assesses levels of confidence toward the federal government by the degree of satisfaction with federal economic policies. Here we see a gradual increase in levels of confidence and satisfaction in federal economic policies increase. This provides us with a second viable hypothesis that greater satisfaction with federal economic policies result in greater confidence in the federal government.